What's poppin', Chef? In today's video, I'll be showing you how I reused Lucha Mucha chops from the previous video and incorporated with anime. Now, the anime that I flipped was a Naruto soundtrack from Clash of Ninja, and I'm gonna play you what that sounds like real quick. So that's what it sounds like, and I chopped it up and I added some effects, and this is what it sounds like now. Very simple chops. And now I have the chops from the Lucha Mucha video, plus some other loops from what you see mostly here is the Mucha Lucha chops, plus some other loops that are available on my Patreon. I'm gonna play you it now. But all together it sounds like this. You can download this exact project session on my Patreon or on my website. I'll leave both of the links in the description below. Tell me what you want to see next in the next video, and I'll see you on the next one.